Welcome back to another Scottish Tech YouTube video. So in this one I'm going to take you with me to a breakdown that we've got away down in the borders. So it's for an airbag, and this is probably one of the more common sort of breakdowns that we go to. So we'll take you on the journey, show you step by step of changing an airbag on a trailer. Hopefully it's straightforward, hopefully it's one we've got in the van, and yeah, come along for the journey. So we're currently just 45 minutes away from where the breakdown is, away down in Coxburn Path, down in the Scottish borders. So we're currently on the city bypass, and we'll follow this right to the end to Musselburgh, and we'll jump on the A1 which will go southbound down towards the Scottish borders. Anyone that's ever been on the city bypass will know exactly what this Sheriff Hall roundabout's like. As us, we're now off the bypass, we're on the A1, so we're currently just heading past our Trinette area, but this road's brilliant, it's right down the coast, you get some lovely views of the water and everything like that, so hopefully we'll be able to show you some wee bits as we go, but we are now just 28 minutes away. We just went past him. I think he's actually going northbound, so we're just going to go round the roundabout, spin round, head back up and pull him behind him. Now this is a lay-by, I think he's this one here at the front of the container. Yep, this is him. So that's us here. We're going to get our gloves on, get our lie mat, go underneath, have a wee look at it. I'm sure we've got an airbag that's the same as the one that's on it just now, so that's not a problem, but the trailer is fully loaded, so we need to try and find a way to do this safely. There's the airbag, so as you can see it's completely split. So what we'll do is we'll take this pipe off, we'll need to kink that, get the driver to build the air up so it will rise the suspension, and it means we can take this airbag off, and we'll undo all the bolts and get a new one fitted. Now to start with, there's a cable tie, and I think we need, a 17, we'll take a 19 as well just in case. So it's not a 17 or a 19, it's an 18, but the 19 should get a grip at it. There we go. So now we can just undo that pipe. Just like so, and then we literally just kink it up, get our cable tie and put the cable tie over it. There we go. Now there will be some people that say you shouldn't kink pipes or whatever, but it's the easiest and quickest way. So now this is completely isolated, we can start the truck up, build the air up. Another 5 airbags should lift the suspension up enough for us to whip these bolts off, 2 underneath, 2 at the top, and we should be able to remove that bag. Now the air is building up on that just now, so we're going to get our tools out what we need to actually change the airbag. So we need 17, and I think it's a 24, I'm going to take a 22 just in case. And then we need a 1/2 inch gun and a battery. That one will do the job. And then we need an airbag, which is this one. This is this one here. It is a, where are we? Right, that's our fitting kit, and it is a BPW sort of 30k airbag. That's pretty common, that airbag. So we keep that one on the van, and then we keep this the single bolt version as well. So we keep them in the van at all times. But we'll go back under, we'll chuck all this stuff under just now, and then once that air's built up we should be able to get that airbag off. Now we need to crack off our union at the top, so it's a 28mm. Crack that off. That means when we take the bolts out, it'll just be easier to take out. Our top knots are 17mm. Oh. Just buzz them off. There's only 2 of them. Our bottom 2 bolts, they're 22s. Pull them out of there. like so, and then that bag just comes out. Now this union, as you can see, you can now spin that out, and that is that bag off. New one, we'll get our fit in, again we'll just spin that back in until it's roughly in place. Just clean the base of our spring, make sure there's no dirt in there, and then lift the airbag up, put it in place. Now that's in place, we got our fitting kit. We'll put our nuts on, a couple of threads, get our bottom bolts in, and then just tighten it up. That's these on, a couple of threads, top ones are on a couple of threads, so we just need to rattle them up now. Now we need to tighten up our fitting that we put on the finger tight, but we need to try and keep it lined up. Now that is that tight, everything else is tight. We can now undo our cable tie. And screw that in there. That's that in, we just need to tighten that up now. So, now our airbag is filled with air. Now the last thing we do is just put everything away, because if you don't put everything away, you either end up losing it, or you end up with a big massive pile that you need to put away at the end of the day. So tighten as you go, and then it keeps everything in place. That's us all done, so we can shut the door. All we need to do is get the mileage, fill out our paperwork, and then phone the breakdown company and tell them that's the job complete. Now that's done, we just need to fill out a job sheet. So we use the auto check system, which is just like this on the phone. So we'll just run through that, fill it out, and then I'll phone the customer, let them know it's all complete and that the vehicle's back out on the road. So here we go, this is just it. Off, side, front, airbag blown, it was immediately rectifiable, attended roadside, found offside front, God's sake, predictive text, offside front, airbag blown, removed and replaced, all okay. Next, parts required, yes. One, the part name was a 30k BPW airbag. Upload images. Now we have the trailer, blown airbag, replaced airbag. And once this uploads, that will take us to that. Vehicle is roadworthy. We have the mileage 487 446. And complete. So now I'm just going to phone the breakdown company and let them know that that is also fixed and it's back out on the road. I've replaced the offside front airbag and it is all okay. Yep, just off scene now. Perfect, cheers, thank you, bye bye. There we go, so that is us all done. Right for the very start to head into the job, to phoning the customer to say that the job is complete. So that is a full step by step on how sort of I deal with a breakdown, fixing it, everything that I take out, my toolbox, putting everything away after, that's just how I operate. So thank you for watching. Remember, hit the subscribe button, click on the profile, there's plenty of sort of videos and there's more videos coming. I'm going to try and keep uploading these longer videos. But thanks for watching, subscribe, like, share, comment, especially comment if you've got any way that you do that different, or tips, advice, anything, please comment, let me know. But thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.